Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss and use Shodan.io. But before that, a short disclaimer that the information available in this video is only for information and education purpose only. So Shodan.io is the world's first search engine for internet connected devices. So we have been using this Google like so for using Google we search websites, but this is a search engine which actually searches for the internet connected devices. That's important. And this is the website where we will be going. I mean, this is the search engine we'll be going in a moment. So you can see this is www.shodan.io, and here you see this is the world map here. And using this search engine we will be using different keywords here, and by using these keywords we will be able to find out different routers, switches, so cameras from specific vendor, from a specific organization, for example Cisco organization, BBC, or any organization. So they will have some devices having certain IP addresses, and those devices we can search with the help of this search engine, that is Shodan.io. And in some of our videos we have discussed about different phases of pen testing or maybe ethical hacking. So in that case we have discussed different phases, and this Shodan.io can be helpful for us in information gathering phase, which we also call reconnaissance phase. So in this recon phase, this Shodan.io search engine will be very much helpful. Now to show you that how we can use this search engine, this amazing search engine, that is Shodan.io. So we will go to Shodan.io and press enter. So now we will land at Shodan.io, and you can see the same page which I showed you before. And now to use it, first we have to actually sign up here. We have to register there, and then you can see here we have further operations for beyond the web and monitor network exposure. So they have also their paid version where we have to pay, but I'm going to show you this use in a free version there. And yeah, so for this first we are going to register our going to register on this side. So for this I'm going to click on sign up now, and then I'm already using my Gmail account, so I just can say that login with my Google account. Yes, so this is there. And now here you can see once we land here, we have these all things where we can see that what is Shodan search query fundamentals and working with Shodan data files. So for that information, whatever is available on their website, we can find it out here. So the first thing which I want to show you is the search query fundamental. So click there, and it will show us some results here. The search query fundamentals are to get the most out of Shodan, it's important to understand the search query syntax. So search query syntax, first of all, it says that we have the devices on the internet. So we saw that world map, and then these devices actually run services, that whether this is a web server, this is any firewall, router, switch, webcam, so they all provide services. So devices run services, and those services are what Shodan collects information about. So what Shodan is doing, it's going to collect information about the services offered by those devices, and those devices have an IP address and they are connected on the internet. And now that information is collected in an object. That object is known as banner. So the devices, they provide services. The information about those services is available in an object that's known as banner. And Shodan is going to collect information that is available on the banner. So that is publicly available information about the devices, which Shodan is going to collect for us. Simplified banner looks like the following. So you see, this is a banner information. You can see here we have some information about IP address, maybe port number, organization, location. So this all information will be collected by this. But sometimes people actually, they don't change the by default password also. So the password can also be part of sometimes the banner. So that can also be collected by Shodan.io. That's something critical. And let's use it. And in this search box, Here we have to write something to search something for us. For example, we can find out the devices from some specific vendor. For example, this device is from Cisco. So for that, we'll write Cisco, Cisco, and then we press enter. And as a result, you can see we have all the devices. I mean, in different countries, we have devices of Cisco. And for this, if we look at the result, when we, I mean, result of Cisco, you can see we have these many countries. Because from these countries, you can see the names Canada, USA, Brazil, Japan. So if you click more, then there will be more countries where we have these Cisco devices, and the result shows us this. And there are actually total results. You can see how many results we have here, and then these are the ports. So these are the ports on which these Cisco devices are running, are offering services. And then top organizations where we have Cisco devices, so you can see we also have the names of the organizations, and then we also have the top products. So this is, I mean, this Cisco means that that information should be there in a banner. So now these are the top products, and then we also have the information about operating systems as well. And then if we click on some specific link here, so advisor, maybe just click there to just show you this 192.155.56. This is the IP address, and this is in this country, you can see, and this the specific name of city. And then you can find further information that on that particular IP we have these ports which are offering different services. So you see port number 22, information about that, and that is secure shell. And then we have also information about second port, that's port number 80. And then we also have information about port number 123 in offering using UDP protocol, and then we also have 443. So it means we found some IP address where we have this information in its banner, and these are the port numbers which are being used by that device or whatever that is having this IP address. So in this way, we can, maybe we can go back. So this we can find out the about some specific devices in some specific country as well, or maybe we can also find out some specific ports as well. So for that, maybe we can specify here. We need to use a keyword that's port, and then we use colon, and then we use port number we are looking for. So for example, at the moment, for instance, if we say that we were looking for port number 443, and then we click search here, so it should display all the ports with 443. And depending on my internet speed, it may take some time. Oh yes, it's there. So you can see here we have the information about port 443, and these are these many results we have, and these are the countries, and these are the organizations where we have this port running. And then we have the top products. The same way on the right hand side, you can see we can have data about host, and we also have the list of ports, and then we have the port details as well. So if we click on any one of the results there, if for example if we click there, first one, and it shows that open port is 443, you can see this was our search. And then this is the general information about that, and this is the information about port details, port number 80 and port number 443. Right, so in this way we can search about some results from some specific country, for example. And for that we can find, for example, if we want to find some products, or maybe from Cisco with Cisco keyword, but we want to bound these results only for some specific country. In that case, we can use this keyword, that is country, and then colon, and here we have to use this any country. For example, for Canada we can use CA, for Australia we can use AU. So now only the results from this country will be shown. So I can click search, and now as a result you can see we have the information only from Australia, you can see here. So this is also how we can actually filter out the search results. And we can also search results on the basis of products as well. So for if we say product, and then if we say, for example, Apache, 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 so we search it, and now in the result we should only have this specific product. So we have this Apache, and you can see, and you can verify it again, the information from these many countries using these ports, and the organization information, and then this banner information we can have some further information from this one, what has been extracted by this Shodan.io. And in the same way, if we like, then maybe we can find out the information about some specific IP as well. So in that case, we can say the net and colon, and then we can specify IP address like 142.250.70.238. So now this time information about this specific IP address will be getting this one. So now we have the information only about that specific IP address. So these are some of the examples which we can use. So I also like, if you are interested in looking at the cams, so webcams. So this is also interesting thing to see. The webcams, and maybe if we search for webcams available in certain countries, then again we can use country, and maybe for Australia, AU. So webcams in Australia, maybe webcam, WEP, and search here. Yes, now we have webcam, IP webcam here. This is in this city, and maybe in some, yeah, so in this city and this city, and but all of these cities are in Australia because we have used country keyword as well. So in this way, actually I wanted to show you that in this way we can actually filter out the search results for us. And yes, and also there's if you want to see in details, for example, we have search query examples. They are also given here again on their side. And search query example, for example, the basics ones here says that we are looking for some websites that require HTTPS connection. So for that should be this will be the search query, and maybe we can click there. And then if we were looking for some specific product which we just saw now, so we're looking for Apache web server. So product is Apache here, and then we have some HTTP filter. So we want that website that have the word Apache in their HTML. So for this we can go, we can use this, keywords. And then the websites, those websites which supports this transport layer security or TLS 1.3, so we can use this search. And then the services, so you can see we have further information, like if we are looking for some SSH services on port number 22 or maybe port number 20 4 times 3. So for this we can click this. So these are some of the examples to efficiently search or efficiently use this Shodan.io search engine. And you can also see explore it here. I'll put the link here in the description section for this as well. And for example, if we click on this one, let's say here, so search results all there. So we are looking for SSH on port number 22 and or on this port. So this is how we have to build the search. And if we click on search, so it should give us a result, and in that result we should have all SSH using port number which we specified. And so port number, so SSH port, and then colon 2020, and this is how we can search it, and as a result we have all this information. These are countries again, and information about some specific, for example here if you want to see it, Ukraine. So if you click there, so here we have all these ports open there, and open means we can find further information. So these are the ports, and this is further details. So for port number 21 we have this details, and for open SSH this is this detail. So our requirement is also fulfilled that. Okay, so this is it, and you can explore further the search results here. So you can use these search techniques which are already given, search query examples, and I'll put the link there. And also want to show you that who is the founder of this. So that is John McCauley here. also put the link for this guy who is actually the founder of this Shodan.io. And yes, and one more thing, I think there is a link for their blogs as well. If you want to see their blogs, for example, that is, I think, blog.shodan.io. That's also good to visit there. And yes, so that's Shodan blog. You can have latest information on their blogs. This is also very good to go through when we have free time. And if you want to export it further, that will be very much helpful. Okay, so that's it which I wanted to show you, and maybe as per your requirement you can explore it further. We also have APIs which we can use, or maybe we can integrate with the Metasploit as well. So maybe in some of other videos we will be using that API as well. So thank you very much for your time, and hope to see you in some other video.